that guy, Jesus. So, what I want to talk to you about today is systems and how to use the systems to your advantage. We at times look at life the wrong way. We look at life one way when we should be focused on life another way. Or you are going by society's unwritten rules that you think are right when it's not helping you effectively to get your family and yourself to the next position in life where you can do the things that you want to do. So what happens is we look at life a totally wrong way. So how I'm gonna break this down to you is by telling you there is a system to everything. So when you go to school, there's a school system. When you go to jail, there's a justice system. When you go to the bank, the banking institute is a banking system. So everything has a system. What your job is to do is you have to figure out that system. Then once you figure out that system, you have to come up with your own system that helps you use that system to your advantage. Now, I'm not saying when I say stuff like that, people might think first thing is like some type of scam or something of that nature, but no, you're doing everything legal. So you have to determine what this bank is for, what this school is for. You have to determine those things. You can't just do it. I'm going to school and get a good job. No, you can go to school, but you might not get that good job. Or you might get a good job, but that good job might not pay as much as you thought it would, because now you have to pay back your student loan. So now you fell victim to the school system. So what you need to do is figure out what the banking system is. Once you figure out the banking system, you probably are going to figure out life. The bank operates by taking your money, then dishing out your money and then invest it into something else. The bank also allows you to borrow money. So now when you borrow money, a lot of people think that's a bad thing, but that could be a good thing if you learn to create your own system. Your system could be used to take their money, make you some money, give them back their money, and now you have your own money to invest in now. But you still might want to keep your money that you made, put it away, then go back to them, take some more of their money, even more of their money. So now you're in their system. You're in their system because without you borrowing money, the bank cannot last. Without you borrowing money, they need people to borrow as much money as possible. So this is a key thing. Don't be scared to borrow money. Yes, it's debt. Yes, that is bad for you sometimes. Now, if you're doing good with this thing and in the future you're going to make even more money, so double that amount that you borrowed so you can pay back and you can have, you are winning because you didn't use none of your money. You use not $1 of your money to make money, plus you always have their money to borrow because you're just giving it right back to them. You see what I'm saying? That's a system. So now you've created a system with the bank, and that is a relationship. You have a relationship with the bank. Not to say that your credit score will go up as well, and now you can use other banks. So you now have infiltrated their system. Their system is now working for you instead of you getting caught in their system. And these are the things that people don't think about. Yeah, you borrow money, but you're not borrowing money with a plan. You're borrowing the money to go shopping. You're borrowing the money to get something that you know that you shouldn't have because you cannot afford it to pay it back. That's what you're getting the money for. So if you actually use this 10, 5, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100,000, $300,000 for something that's going to generate you some income, then you have taken advantage of their system. Now, if you're just going to buy things that you're not going to get anything out of, then you have not taken advantage and you just owe money, and you're just caught up in the same system and you're going to be in the same spot. So there's good debt and there's bad debt. The good debt allows you to make money off of it and you can give it right back to the people. That's how that works. So you have now infiltrated their system. But these are things that you can learn on thatguyjizos.com. Thatguyjizo.com. Thatguyjizo.com. You see it? You see it? Thatguyjizo.com. You can go there and you can get information like this. I'm giving you great information